Hi there, welcome to this tutorial video where we're going to show you how to browse and visualize data on this interactive map on the ICES data portal landing page. Remember from the last video we showed you this data filing system at the bottom here, so please look at the last video if you wish to navigate that. We're going to focus on this map at the top, and you can see here it's interactive, so you can use the mouse button and just hold it down and move the map around. Equally, you can use this key here in the top left hand corner, so the plus button to zoom in and the minus button to zoom out according to which area you'd like to focus on. Okay, so the idea here is to pinpoint a specific C region on the map, and to do that we're going to zoom into an area that we'd like. You can use any area you want. We'll just use the North Atlantic area off the west coast of Ireland, for example. Okay, so we've zoomed in on the area. Now what we're going to do is hold down the shift button on the keyboard, and then with the left mouse button just drag it over to create a box on the screen like this. You can do it as big or as small as you like. Okay, once you let go of the shift button and the mouse button, you'll see the box turns orange, and then we've got some information that comes up here in the boxes on the right hand side. So you can see we've got the latitudinal and longitudinal coordinates here, which obviously are quite useful. Okay, then what you need to do is click Update Summaries, and what this does is refine the data in the filing system underneath here according to the specific region on the map. So you can see here now we've got our data sets listed here, and under the measurements column, whereas before there was a total number of measurements listed for the entire ICES region, we now have just these measurements according to this square in the map. So these are the measurements of the various data sets here. You can also click on data type. If you continue to click on any of these tabs, it keeps the geographic region on the map. So everything you search for now is according to this specific geographic region. Again, okay, so our data types with the new measurements in. Remember, you can refine. So if, for example, you wish to go on biological community data for zooplankton and click on species, you'll see that we've got measurements here. So not as many as there were over the whole range, because this, remember, is just for this specific section of sea off the west coast of Ireland. Okay, so everything you search for in this system at the bottom is now in coordination with this square in the map, and it will be until you click on the reset button just here. So as soon as you click on reset, that takes away the region that you've delimited on the map and brings you back to scratch. So that's how the map works. Another way to visualize data on the map is to use these three orange tabs here, as we explained in the last video. So ICES areas, OSPA regions, or HELCOM subbasins. So if you click any of these as an entry point to explore your data, for example ICES areas, you'll see that an overlay in this bright orange colour appears on the map, denoting the ICES areas. Again, you can zoom in and zoom out according to which one you'd like to explore. Let's say we head to the Baltic, for example. Here we could now, if we wish, go down these list of ICES areas and choose a further parameter. So if we use a per parameter column, again please check out the previous video for explanations of these, and let's say ICES area 22 if you know the specific ICES area that you're after, and then click on per parameter. Okay, not quite the Baltic, but if we zoom in we can see now that there's a yellow overlay appeared here. So this is the area within which all these parameters are available. So that's another way to visualize on the map.